all-new Nissan Qashqai has been unveiled. A well-established leader in the crossover segment, the newly revealed third-generation Qashqai builds on the success of more than 3 million units sold globally since Nissan debuted the compact crossover in 2007. The third-generation Qashqai sits on a revised version of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi CMF-C platform, which boasts a 48% increase in torsional stiffness over the old car. Nissan's range extender hybrid powertrain will join the small SUV lineup later in 2022, making the Qashqai one of the rare hybrid small SUVs alongside the Toyota CHR and Mitsubishi Eclipse crossover PHEV. The Qashqai measures 4,425 mm long, 1,835 mm wide and 1,625 mm tall, making it roughly 30 mm bigger than before in every dimension. Combined with a 19 mm longer wheelbase, 2,665 mm, the Qashqai should easily offer more cabin space than before. The front end of the all-new Qashqai sports an enlarged Nissan V-Motion grille finished in chrome with a secondary pinstripe of satin chrome to emphasize its precision. This is flanked by slim full LED advanced matrix headlamps with boomerang signature daylight running lights. Super tight gaps between all these details create a premium and a precise impression. From the side, the new Qashqai appears more athletic and dynamic and wears for the first time optional 20-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. The previous generation offered up to 19-inch wheels. These larger diameter wheels fill the arches and further contribute to the robustness of the car on the road. On the inside, the influence from the Rogue is immediately apparent. It looks a lot more upscale than the previous generation with nicer materials and more refined design touches. A 9-inch touchscreen has navigation, Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay. And there's a configurable 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Other available tech includes a 10.8-inch head-up display, smart home connectivity and phone as key functionality. The Qashqai is even available with massaging seats. Two powertrains will be available in Europe at first. The base engine is a turbocharged 1.3-litre 4-cylinder with a standard mild hybrid system. It's available with either 138 or 156 horsepower, a 6-speed manual or a CVT, and front or all-wheel drive. Even more interesting is the e-Power model, which pairs a 1.5-litre gas engine with an electric motor. As with a car like the Chevy Volt, the engine exclusively generates power for the electric motor, with the front wheels being driven by electricity alone. This setup produces 187 horsepower and Nissan says it gives the Qashqai the characteristics of an EV without the need of charging. It even has one-pedal driving through regenerative braking. It costs from around £23,535, which is par for the course when it comes to family SUVs.